Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Gen 3 mount for Starlink. A 360-degree adjustable wall and roof mounting kit designed specifically for the Starlink V3 standard dish. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile mount for your Starlink setup, this might be the solution you've been searching for. First, let's talk about compatibility. This mount is designed exclusively for the Starlink Gen 3 Rev 4 standard dish, ensuring a perfect fit for your equipment. Whether you're mounting on a concrete wall or a wooden roof, the kit provides all the essential hardware, including both expansion screws for concrete and lag screws for wood, giving you the flexibility to choose the best installation location. One of the standout features of this mount is its all-stainless steel construction. The materials are rust-proof and weatherproof, making it ideal for outdoor use. No matter if it's raining or windy, this mount promises to keep your Starlink dish stable and secure. The design combines durability with aesthetic appeal, so it won't just function well, but also look clean and professional on your wall or roof. Another highlight is its adjustability. The base supports a 90-degree tilt, while the adapter allows for a full 360-degree rotation. Combined with the included extended pipe, this means you can fine-tune the angle of your dish for optimal satellite reception. Even in challenging locations, the flexibility here ensures that you'll get high-speed internet wherever you set up your Starlink dish, which is particularly useful for areas with obstacles or limited clear sky view. The installation process is straightforward and can be completed by yourself in a few simple steps. The package includes a detailed instruction manual, a wrench, silicone pads to protect your Starlink device, and all necessary components such as the Gen 3 aluminum pipe adapter, bent support pipe, extended pipe, and support base. With everything included, you won't need any additional tools or accessories to complete the setup. The dimensions of the mount are 12 by 12 by 1.5 inches, and it weighs just under 4 pounds, making it sturdy yet manageable during installation. Its versatility allows it to be used on a wide range of surfaces, and the thoughtful design ensures your dish stays secure even in harsh weather conditions. In summary, the Gen 3 mount for Starlink offers a solid, adjustable, and weather-resistant solution for mounting your Starlink V3 standard dish. With easy installation, flexible mounting options, and durable construction, it provides excellent value for anyone looking to maximize their Starlink internet performance without compromising on safety or stability. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in getting this mount, check the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching.